Welcome back to the video, guys. Today is gonna be a whole lot of fun, but for you guys, not for us. Last video we took out the engine, and this video, well, we're dropping the frame because we ordered some new control arms that are gonna look super pretty in all this dirt. Are you happy about that?
They're gonna look super pretty in all this dirt?
No. Well, yeah, I don't think we're cleaning it, are we?
Nah, actually we're just gonna send it.
Anyways, guys, I'm sure you saw what we had, all the mess that we had going on here. Well, we got the dash out, and we got the bar that holds that dash in, which is right there, and the steering column falls down, so in order to hold it up, we're using a jack. And as for the seat, well, Ricardo. Also, we're gonna be moving the car outside again and going through all that mess, but don't worry, I'll save you the hassle. You guys won't watch that. You'll just see the car flipped over. And this is going to be a drift car, so if you're wondering why it's taking us a while to put out video of this car, that's your reason. This is all, you know, a drift car. It takes months and months of work, and parts are not cheap. You can ask him. Look, let me see your wallet right now.
Oh, you have one.
Oh, there you go. Look, see what it does to you. But today our main focus is dropping the subframe. We already lubricated everything, hopefully, or not lubricated I should say, but we use BB Blaster. You want to use products that are older than the vehicle. Well, enough chit-chatting. Let's get this car up in the air as high as we can get it. As high as we can get it. You know, it says sky's the limit, man. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise.
Alright, bet.
Sometimes when you're doing these type of jobs, you don't know if everything's gonna go as planned. And when that happens, things seem to break. Alright guys, sorry I had to cut that out. It's starting to rain a little bit and the camera is acting all weird and stuff. But look, we got it out. We got it out. I know that's what most of you came to see, to destroy this car. And we've done it. We seriously done it this time, Jose.
You think we just dig their hole even bigger?
I think we're digging our pockets even bigger. Hey, you put the fire away. Good job.
Should I be a firefighter?
Damn, did candy?
One more here is gonna fall off.
Did candy come out? Did candy come out? Where's the candy, man? You were hitting it like a piñata for sure. Here, let me take that away from you before you get too excited. What is up, you guys? It's currently the next day. Yesterday we were swarmed by the rain and we had to cancel it. We didn't, I mean, to be fair, there was really nothing else we had to do to the Supra. We pretty much just had to drop the subframe, and Jose at the end knocked out that battery tray, and that was pretty much it. I'm actually surprised none of you guys have asked me like, hey, where's that engine you bought? To be fair, this engine stuff isn't a cheap hobby and it gets very expensive real fast. I bought a B18 block with the GSR head, and the guy told me that it had new bearings in it, which I kind of have to agree with him, it did. But when me and Jose were getting ready to put the block back together with the head, we noticed that it was making a noise as we spun the crank, as we were spinning the crank. Well, one of the rods was loose, so we unloosened it and we torqued it down, and still the same problem. So we were like, well, let's get rod bearings. So we got rod bearings. Well, we should probably take out the pistons to take a look at the rings. Okay, let's get rings. Well, if we take out the piston, we should get new pistons. Okay, let's get pistons. But if we do pistons, we should do rods. You can kind of see where this is going. It just started adding up very fast. However, I think one of the things that's really messing me up is the fact that my car is automatic. So not only do we have to build this block and engine, but we also have to switch my car from auto to manual. And I think that's really where it's screwing me up, which is why it's taking me a while. So it's just been sitting here, but not for long. In fact, I should probably take out the main bearings and see how they look. I haven't done that yet. In order to do that, we have to remove this shield right here, and then the main bearings are, you can kind of see them, and they're right here. But I got all the pistons out. I didn't record any of that. Just know, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. The bearings were shot on this, and I mean the rings they're okay. It's good because all this is gonna go away. Look at the bearings, we can see that, yeah, these are still in good shape. It's just the rod bearings that were destroyed, but these are actually in decent shape, and they actually look pretty new. Look at all that scoring, lack of oil or something. Yeah, I think the only thing that I had to replace were the rod bearings, but other than that, the mains look pretty good and they actually look amazing. We also put everything back nicely how it once was, because knowing my mom, if she found any of this on the ground, she would have threw it away. Well guys, that's gonna do it for today. I know it wasn't much, but you guys just gonna have to bear with me and wait. We're this close to assembling that block and that head. We're just missing a few more parts here and there, but we should have that here shortly. I was reading a comment from the last video, and one of you guys comments said, stop teasing us, bro. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do it again. I gotta get you guys hype. I mean, come on, man, I gotta get you guys hype. You guys have to be excited for this. As always, it'll mean the world to us if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.